ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2020 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 4ರಂದು ನಡೆದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TET ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ, ದ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, ವೆನ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ದ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಗೆಟ್ ಬೈ ನಡುವೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. So I think resort to is the right answer. Next one, he resorted to shoddy workmanship. The part of speech of the word shoddy is. Here the correct answer is option 3, adjective. Let's move on to next question. What a shame. The given statement is an example for. Here the correct answer is option 4, exclamatory sentence. Next option, question number 3, question number 5. The employer's goodness is evident when. Okay, here the correct answer is option 2, hands over the front door key to the carpenter. Let's move on to next question. The poet wants his countrymen to. Here the correct answer is be free from bondages of narrow ideas and die-hard habits. Okay. The seventh one, the main theme of poem is. Option 1, patriotism is the right answer. Let's move on to next question. Eighth one, the one that is unlikely to be an example for alliteration is. Here the correct answer is by narrow domestic walls. Ninth one, the word that rhymes with high is. Option 1, sigh. Then 10th one, dead habit refers to. Here the correct answer is old customs and traditions that are threat to humanity. Next, 11th one, the family spends 20% of its income on. Okay, here the correct answer is repaying loans. Next, 12th one, the family finds it important to spend the maximum share of its income on. Option 4, food and clothing is the right answer. Next, 13th one, the income expended on food and clothing is equal to the combined expenses of. Here the correct answer is health and entertainment. Next, 14th one, the correct statement related to graph is. Here the correct answer is option 2, the expenditure on health is equal to the expenditure on entertainment. Okay. Next, 15th one, the descending order on the of the areas of expenditure of the rural family is. Here the correct answer is option 3, food and clothing, repaying loans, health or entertainment, savings bar education. Okay. Next, 16th one, Arun says, did you went to school yesterday, Rekha? No, I did not went to school yesterday. Here the correct answer is option 2. Okay. Next, 17th one, Balaji, I have lost my wallet somewhere. Mohan, oh, I am sorry to hear that. Do you need any help? Here the correct answer is showing sympathy, option 1. Okay. Next, 18th one, for a learner who has difficulties with writing in English, the teacher should give ample practice in. Here the correct answer is option 1, revising spelling and basic sentence patterns. Next one, if you want to ensure participation of maximum number of students in the class, you should adopt the method of teaching through. Here the correct answer is option 3, discussion. Next, 20th, Lata is an English teacher who has prepared a typical audio ad for her class. It is, I think, option 4, a film strip is the right answer. Next, 21st, one of the principles of direct method of teaching English is. I think here the correct answer is 4th one, classroom instruction should be exclusively in the target language. It is the right answer. Then 22, Suraj is teaching grammar using inductive approach. He has to give example first. It is the right answer. Next, 23, the teacher records learners doing a role play. Then the children watch the video and talk about their mistakes in their groups. The correction technique used here is. Okay, here the, I think, option 3, behavioral correction is the right answer. Next, 24th, Syed, a student of 8th standard, says, Lata don't know, I has a pen, she have come. I think here the correct answer is option 3, a tense. Okay. Next, 25th question, Smita has children with valid intelligences to address the set of students with linguistic intelligence. She designs. Okay, here the correct answer is option A word breeding activity. Next 26th, sky school engage goose. The word which does not belong to the set of monosyllabic words is. Here the correct answer is option 2 engage. Next 27th, when the teacher says no, it begins with C. We learnt it in the last lesson. She is trying to. Okay, here the correct answer is option 2 prompt for a correct answer. Next 28, shy learners learn best. Okay, here the option is option 2 doing the role plays is the right answer. Next 29th, the performance of student in the achievement test helps the teacher to design. Okay, option 3 a remedial teaching plan is the right answer. Next 30th question, a class of 30 learners have just done a listening activity. As the teacher is checking the answer of every learner in the class in turns, the learners are getting bored. So the teacher is addresses the above classroom management problem, plans this possible solution. Here there is confusion with answers. I think option in between 2 and 3, option 3 is the right answer. Plan an activity which is more suitable for the learner's need. Thank you.